Hey foodies, let's unbox the Biryani Box Company's kit and create flavor-packed Hyderabadi Dum Biryani in just 3 easy steps. Check the side panel. It tells you exactly what's inside and what you'll need, all with measured quantities. First, let's peek at what's inside this box. Fried onions, fragrant basmati rice, onion-infused oil, salt, aromatic whole spices, secret biryani masala blend, saffron for adding natural color to your biryani. To cook up a storm, you'll need to add your choice of meat, creamy yogurt, fiery chopped chilies, freshly chopped coriander, zesty ginger garlic paste, 1 lemon for that citrus kick, and some milk. Pro tip, check the box for exact amounts. Precision makes perfect biryani. Now let's get prepping. First up, rice. Wash and drain that beautiful and fragrant basmati rice. Add 300 ml of water. Toss in those whole spices and let it soak for 20 minutes. While we wait, let's multitask. Steep that gorgeous saffron in hot milk and watch the color bloom. Time to marinate our chicken. Wash and drain the meat. Add ginger garlic paste, creamy yogurt, and that magical biryani masala. Drizzle in the onion flavored oil to build that flavor complexity. Sprinkle chopped chilies, coriander, and some fried onions. Mix it all up and let those flavors mingle. Rice is ready for action. Add salt and give it a good stir. Fire up the stove to low heat, cover, and let it boil for 10 minutes or until water's mostly gone. Remember, we are par cooking here, so let's not overcook it. Now for the grand finale, layering and dum cooking. Crank up the heat and grab your cooker. Layer half of the fragrant rice over the marinated chicken. Sprinkle coriander and fried onions. Pour that golden saffron milk evenly. Squeeze half a lemon without seeds for that perfect tang. Repeat the layering in the same order. Rice, coriander, fried onions, saffron-infused milk and lemon juice. Pro tip: place the cooker on a flat skillet to prevent burning. Seal the deal. Cover with foil and a weighted lid. Or go traditional with wheat dough, your call. Lower the heat and let it dum cook for 40 minutes. Switch off and let it rest for 10 minutes. Patience is a virtue. Open, mix, and serve. From box to plate, this biryani is more than just a meal. It's a love letter written in spices and shared with those who matter most. As the aromatic steam rises, so do the spirits around your table. So dig in, share stories, and let this Hyderabadi treasure remind you that the best flavors in life are those we create together. Now that's what we call a real dum good time.